Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome once again to this episode of What You Should Know by Fetuga Mojeed. So let's get started. Today, what you should know, we'll be looking at websites, and we want to look at the questions we have with us regarding what you should know about websites. So the questions are divided into two. We have the development questions, and we also have the business questions. So what you should know about websites. What are the programming languages for building websites? So the framework is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the back end can be PHP or any other programming language. So let me break it down. If you are interested in learning about web development, you want to learn the framework, the scripts or the codes or the languages that you can use to build a web solution, a website. So the first and the fundamental one is HTML, which is hypertext markup language. Then that is to teach you about how you can write your text, your typing, your texting, your paragraphing, your header, your footer, text, okay, contents. After that, we have the concept of CSS, which is cascading style sheets, where you can actually design your looks, the font size, the font family, the margin, the padding, the header, the footer, and what have you. So that is where the designing comes, the background color, the text color, the font size, the font look, anything about styling. That is where you have your CSS. And the JavaScript is just for functions, okay, on click, button, events, and what have you. So, but JavaScript can go far beyond that, okay. JavaScript can do a lot of things, and JavaScript can even build some complete solutions on its own. But for websites at the basic level, you just need to understand how to write your HTML tags, how to style your CSS, and the basic function for your website, okay. The second question is, what about PHP? PHP is also a programming language, okay, that can do the server side functions, frameworks, okay. So you can actually connect to the server end. HTML, CSS, they are basically clients, your user end interface, but the PHP can network and connect and build a framework that you have access to using the server, and you can build so many solutions with it, okay. The next question is, what about WordPress? WordPress is also a framework or a solution that was built, that has been built on the PHP solution language, PHP. So PHP is the programming language that is used to build a complete solution that now makes it easy for web developers or web designers to just click and drag and install, and they may not need to do most of the coding, rather just drag and drop and what have you. So it's called CMS, which is Content Management Solution or System. Okay, the next question is, how can websites help your business? Yes, websites can actually help your business depending on the functionality of the website. Gone are those days when you have websites and your business will be known and be seen globally without any much effort, because there is no much, we have little people, having websites. But now the web is already saturated, and you have to bring more value to your user if you want to be recognized. So your website can be a very important tool for your business if you are willing to bring forth more value. Now that can be as a result of probably adding more information to your end user by the means of blogging, or making your website have functions that solve user intended problems. Okay, probably these users are actually looking for something like Facebook, for instance. Okay, the users are looking to socialize. Okay, Canva.com, for instance, the user are looking to design graphics and what have you, creatives. So websites can do more and can generate more and can build your business if you are using your website to offer value, to bring value. Okay, and that is where the users, your visitors, will be able to return and be able to relate with you. So the next question is, should everybody have a website? Definitely you should have. Everybody should have websites based on what value they are willing to bring forth with their website or via their websites, and of course also to be able to place themselves at the global level. Now the last question here for business owner is, what is an e-commerce store? Okay, when we say e-commerce store, what we are looking at is a solution, a platform where the users can peruse so many different variations of products, okay, and have detailed information about products, and can actually order, make payments and order for products online. So the products will be seen, variations of the products will be seen, information about the product will be available. The user, the buyer, can then go through these products and make an order for the products, make a payment. It can be pay on delivery, it can be payment online, it can be, there are different forms of e-commerce, and we will take e-commerce in a subsequent episode of what you should know. I think this has really done us a very great deed, and the sponsor for this event today is Palladium Innovations. If you are interested in sponsoring our event or helping us or partnering with us, definitely contact us. Our information is in the description, and we will be willing to relate and do business with you. Okay, till next week Thursday, when we'll be coming up with what you should know and a set of episode of what you should know. I wish you all the best, and let's keep learning. Bye for now.